Well, we are finally leaving the East Rim viewpoint. It was amazing, even with the smoke and the clouds down below. I was talking to these two kids I mentioned in the other video, and they showed me the pictures. It was neat. So we have one more viewpoint road to go down, then we're gonna head out of here on the loop road. Cars are starting to come up in mass, it looks like. Yeah, maybe I'll come back in the fall. I don't know. I do want to see the diamond crater or diamond area. I don't know if it's a crater. It has volcanic stuff. Fish Lake is 9 miles that we stopped at. We're gonna do this overlook. That's the first Jeep lady that waved. She is very happy. She had all her stuff in the back. Oh, it must get dirty. Oh wow, her roof pops open and she could stand up, take pictures. That is neat. I like that. Oh, washboards. Kind of ready to get off this road. It's almost 10 o'clock. Wow, this is bad. I know it'll be worth it though. So there was a Winnebago camper van. Someone drove up here on this road. They must be rich because they're gonna destroy so many things with these fronts. Washboards. They're gonna rattle that thing to death. Those things aren't cheap. Yeah, this is the worst part of the road I've ever been on, I think. Worse than the entrance. Side of the road when there's no washboards. So I can't remember what this was called, this lookout point. Oh, this place is just incredible though. So the kids I were talking to, I said they hunt a lot. They showed me a picture of a cougar. Their dad shot here. There's so many cougars, they're nuisances. They kill all the elk and the deer. And I think he said you can get 2 cougar a year. There's that many. But the one they caught, that they shot, was 8 feet long. That's a big cat. And basically a cat that size, he said, eats 11,000 pounds of meat a year. That's a lot of meat. That's a lot of animals. Say a 200-pound deer, but it's not all meat. Well, let's just say it is. That would be that'd be like 50 to 60 deer a year that cougar's eating. And you could probably double it, say 120, because half of the weight is bones and stuff the cougar's not gonna eat. So like every 3 days, they're killing something. Oh wow, this is a longer road than I thought. Jeez. I hope it was worth it. We need some air before this camera overheats. Wow. we were talking about how Eastern Oregon wants to become part of Idaho, and Idaho actually wants that. I think it'd be a great idea because it has nothing to do with Western Oregon, Eastern Oregon. Not a thing. And until you drive out here, you might not understand that. I think a lot of states need to be readjusted and the boundaries changed. And that would solve a lot of problems, I think, actually. Wow, this is steep and narrow now. Glad there was a turnout right there. We're almost there. I saw the road that keeps going up. I'm like, crap, I hope we don't go on that. That looks worse. So that's an actual hiking trail. You can hike out to that point. And we will not do that today since the weather is not that great. Oh, you can hike to those cell phone towers, communication towers, straight ahead. Somehow the camera got pointed way up. I think it's from the bumps. Oh, that sucks. I'll film it going back, just in case that is ruined. Didn't even notice. Couldn't even see the hood of the truck. That usually does not work. You know what? I think I will park in that first spot.